His isn't just another car, it's a statement. It's an evolution. And if these initial glimpses are anything to go by, Mazda is not just participating in the future, they're defining it. From its undeniably bold stance to those mesmerizing curves, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 promises a driving experience that's as exhilarating as its aesthetics. We're talking about a vehicle that perfectly encapsulates Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, soul of motion, taken to an entirely new, breathtaking level. In today's deep dive, we're going to dissect every inch of this incredible machine, exploring how Mazda has once again managed to blend elegance with aggression and sophistication with sportiness. So, if you're ready to step into the future of automotive design with us, stick around, because you won't want to miss a single detail. Alright, let's get into the heart of it, the design. And where else to start but with that absolutely commanding presence when you first lay eyes on the 2026 Mazda CX-20. The front fascia of the CX-20 is nothing short of revolutionary, yet undeniably Mazda. It immediately grabs your attention, projecting an aura of confidence and refined power. The centerpiece, as always, is that iconic Mazda signature wing grille. But this isn't just a carryover. It's been reimagined, scaled up, and given an even more aggressive, almost predatory stance. The sheer size of the grille suggests a vehicle that means business, with a formidable presence that demands respect on the road. The texture within the grille appears to be a sophisticated mesh pattern, possibly a black gloss finish, which contrasts beautifully with the dazzling Soul Red crystal paint. This intricate pattern isn't just for aesthetics. It hints at optimized airflow for cooling and aerodynamics, demonstrating Mazda's commitment to both form and function. The integration of the grille with the overall front design is seamless, creating a cohesive and sculpted look. It's not an element that just sits there. It flows and merges with the surrounding bodywork. Flanking this dominant grille are the headlight units, which are arguably one of the most captivating design elements on the CX-20. They are incredibly slender, almost razor-thin, giving the car a piercing, focused gaze. These aren't your typical bulky headlights. They're elegant strips of advanced LED technology, designed to be both highly functional and visually striking. The sharpness of their design contributes significantly to the vehicle's modern and futuristic appeal. Below the main grille, the lower fascia continues the theme of athletic sophistication. We see what appears to be a wide, horizontal air intake, emphasizing the car's width and stability. This isn't just a decorative element, it undoubtedly serves a crucial function in cooling the engine and potentially feeding air to brake systems or other performance-enhancing components. The surrounding bodywork is sculpted with purpose, creating subtle curves and lines that direct airflow around the vehicle. There's a distinct absence of overly aggressive vents or fake scoops, which is a refreshing change. Mazda has opted for genuine functionality, wrapped in beautiful design. Moving along to the side profile, the 2026 CX-20 truly embodies Mazda's soul of motion philosophy. This isn't a collection of disparate lines. It's a symphony of curves and surfaces that appear to be in constant motion, even when standing still. The first thing that strikes you is the coupe-like roofline. This is a bold move for an SUV, significantly differentiating it from its more traditional, boxier rivals. The roof gently slopes downwards towards the rear, creating a sleek and athletic silhouette that blurs the lines between a sports car and an SUV. let's talk about those wheels. They are a striking design element, appearing to be large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, likely in a dark, possibly black or gunmetal finish, with a subtle red accent ring. This red accent cleverly ties into the vibrant Soul Red crystal body paint, showcasing Mazda's meticulous attention to detail and color coordination. The design of the spokes is intricate, suggesting both strength and lightness. They perfectly fill the wheel arches, which themselves are subtly flared, emphasizing the CX-20's athletic stance without being overly aggressive. The proportions of the wheels to the body are spot on, contributing significantly to the vehicle's premium and sporty look. Now, let's turn our attention to the rear of the 2026 Mazda CX-20. An area where many SUVs tend to fall flat, but not the CX-20. Here, Mazda has delivered a rear end that is just as captivating and cohesive as the front, cementing its status as a design leader. The most prominent feature, and one that immediately draws the eye, are the taillight units. Following the theme of the headlights, they are incredibly sleek and horizontally oriented, extending deep into the rear fenders. They appear to be full LED units, likely with a distinctive signature that will make the CX-20 unmistakable from behind, even in the darkest of nights. The internal graphics of these taillights seem to feature a sophisticated, possibly multi-element design, giving them a high-tech and premium feel. The way they wrap around the corners of the vehicle further emphasizes the width and stability of the CX-20. This design choice contributes to a sense of dynamism, suggesting the car is always poised to accelerate. The simplicity of their form is a testament to Mazda's commitment to clean design, allowing the illuminated elements to stand out with clarity. What are your thoughts on the 2026 Mazda CX-20? Are you as blown away by its design as we are? Let us know in the comments section below. We love hearing your opinions and engaging with our amazing community. And if you enjoyed this in-depth review, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video far and wide. Your support is what keeps us going.